Na nababakabalin, welcome to Ryan Pampanga. For today's video, titikman po natin ang mga pinadala ng Rachel's Kitchen. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So gusto kong umpisahan na tikman yung kanilang leche flan cheesecake cups. So moist at saka parang wow! First time kong makatikim ng ganito, guys. So, cheesecake cups. And then, yung pinaka-toppings natin, leche flan. Wow! Sarap! Next is the s'mores bars. Wow! Gooey, chocolatey, may halong pait at saka sweet. Grabe. So sinful. Next is the tiramisu cheesecake. Oh, cheers. Harga to. Cheesecake natin, guys, not too sour. Actually, parang mas nalalasahan ko talaga dito is yung tiramisu flavor. Susunod na gusto kong tikman yung kanilang dream cake. Oh. Sarap. So dito naman tayo sa mga parang a little bit native side. Oh, so this is the Spanish bread ube flavor. So soft. And gusto ko talaga yung pagka-native ng ube. Now this is their ube cheese de sal version. Tingnan naman natin. In fairness, very generous yung cheese. Right, so tingnan naman natin itong mga fresh strawberries dito sa cake na to. Banana bread is next. Another bite from this banana bread. Actually, meron din siyang nuts inside, no, which makes it a little bit enjoyable when you crunch it or you bite it. So, another version ng kanilang cheesecake is this banoffee. Naging well-known din ang flavor na to. So, it has caramel or coffee flavored syrup sa taas. Fresh banana on an icing plus yung cheesecake natin, syempre. Wow! So sinful. Alright, so once again, thank you so much, Rachel's Kitchen, for sending us such a generous package dito po sa bahay namin. We appreciate you guys. Sa mga nakakapanood naman nito, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you got interested sa mga cakes, sa mga pandesal, dito sa very unique na leche flan cheesecake na to, go ahead and message the fan page we're gonna be including in this post below. Thank you so much for watching Warren Pampanga, guys. Please do like this video and share it. When you share it, tag nyo po ang Warren Pampanga. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out. Bye, guys.